In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Docker with Nginx. We're going to set up an Nginx container using Docker Desktop and connect it to a local folder that contains your website files. This is a simple way to preview or serve a website locally without having to install Nginx directly on your computer. To begin, open the Docker Desktop application on your computer and wait for it to fully load. Once the app is ready, go to the search bar at the very top of the window. This search feature helps you quickly find container images from Docker Hub and use them inside Docker Desktop. In the search field, type Nginx and then click Pull. Pulling an image means Docker downloads the Nginx image to your machine so you can run it locally. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. After the image has finished downloading, go to the Images section in Docker Desktop. There, look for the image labeled Nginx. This is the image we'll use to create the web server container. Once you find it, click the Run button next to it. A Run configuration window will open. In that window, click Optional Settings to expand the menu. This section gives you more control over how the container behaves, and it's where we'll set up the name, port mapping, and file connection. Find the container name field and enter a simple name, such as My Web Server. Giving your container a clear name makes it easier to recognize later, especially if you end up running multiple containers. Next, look for the ports section where you see 80/TCP. In the empty host port box next to it, type 8080. This maps port 8080 on your computer to port 80 inside the container, which is the default port Nginx uses to serve web pages. Now scroll down to the volumes section and click the Choose Folder icon under host path. Select the local folder on your computer that contains your website files. After that, in the container path box, type usr share nginx html. This is the directory inside the Nginx container where web files need to be placed so Nginx can serve them properly. Once everything is filled in, click the blue Run button at the bottom of the window. Docker will start the container using your settings, and Nginx will begin serving the files from the folder you selected. At this point, your Docker-based Nginx server should be running locally through port 8080 using your own website files from the mounted folder.